every quarter, we from CHATA organize this event to give special attention to the stars in our industry. Employees and supervisors deserve this recognition for the work they do on a daily basis. The general manager or the human resource manager chooses a nominee and is asked to define the qualities the nominee has that makes him or her a star of the industry. I would like to mention something that I just heard at this table. Sometimes you say, what is a star? Is it that important? Is it that important to get the recognition? Yes, because we understand that at Funmini, someone got, after so many years working there, a recognition, and they see the change in this person. He's more open, he's happy, and that made me feel so good, because I always stress, this is a special occasion. This is where you have your people, you know, like they say in Dutch, in het zonnetje. You put them on a stage, it is their show. So this year, we decided to change the STARS program just a bit. We try to focus each quarter on a different quality a person has that is highly appreciated by their superiors. So last quarter, we had dedication. And this quarter, we are focusing on passion. Passion is something very important to me. I believe that whether it's work, love, or life, it's all about passion. And passion is that thing that you feel inside, that makes you warm from inside, that makes you glow from the outside. That is something that you feel and that makes you go the extra mile. That is what passion is all about. And in my case, I even had a dog that was called Passion. So, all of you stars today, it's about a passion. Today you will be presented with your certificate as a star of the industry of the second quarter of 2014, and we will give you a beautiful gift package sponsored by Dina Veres. Dina is here. Everybody knows Dina, the herb lady, the one that has all the cures for all ails, all pains, all everything, right? But also to make you beautiful and sexy and what else, Dina? A lot more, yes. So now it's your time to shine. And then I want to start with Cindy Absence. Cindy, just come. We usually give all the companies a call the day before the event to ensure that all the stars will be present at the event. And sometimes we are informed that the nominee has no idea that she has been nominated and that it will be a complete surprise for her. You didn't know anything. No. In case you didn't know it yet, Cindy, you have been nominated as the star of the second quarter, and I would like for you to come up front where you are at the moment, so your hard work doesn't go unnoticed at a gouverneur. And as a lunch employee, you always take care of the guests and your colleagues. You are believed to be a good example of everything that hospitality entails, and you are highly appreciated. Merci beaucoup. Thank you, Cindy. The next person I would like to call forward is Natalia Daly. That is Natalia. Hi, Natalia. Natalia, your passion for the job can be seen through your constant professional demeanor and how you ensure that everyone working under your supervision at Marriott performs according to standard. You are considered a rock in a stormy sea, and you always step up to the plate. I hear. So it's true. Through all of this, you manage to remain positive and responsible at the same time. Thank you, Natalia, for your great work as a casino dealer supervisor. Thank you. with Anous Mesidor. Anous, a few of your great qualities are that you are always on time. Your work as a landscaping assistant at Bauhaze is always up to standards, and your positivity towards your work is contagious. You are valued at Bauhaze, and they are proud to have you working for them. And I hope that you can inspire more people to work like you do. So congratulations. Merci. Then I have a very, very special one. The next person I call forward is Eros Hinkert. And I will say some words in English and then I'll talk in Papiamento to Eros. Because Eros is still the English. I want you to listen to me and understand exactly what I want to say. Doesn't speak the English perfectly, but is fluent in showcasing his passion for the job and always manages to communicate with a guest no matter the language. Your superiors have so many great stories about you that it made it difficult for us to just pick one. However, I think the best one is what happened a few weeks ago when you were spotted at the picnic table with a guest in what seemed a very serious conversation. This raised a lot of curiosity for what could be going on. After more than an hour, the guest stood up and left smiling and waving goodbye to you. It seems you took the time to sit down with the guest and teach him a short lesson in Papiamento. This is a truly great example of passion for your job and passion for the hospitality business. Santa Barbara wants to thank you for the great job you are doing as a recreation service agent and all the other stuff you do that is not part of your description. Ens Eros, mi quiero bisa toch in Papiamento algún cosa. Pasombre si por assim de hora papiamento, pero toch não está papier. Eros é guy special. Su trabalho originalmente não está caminho de banes zwembad, right? Pero você não pode imaginar quanto hora está no seu trabalho. Quanto hora? 5 ore, timbe promeco 5 ore, pa certo? Pa direito turcos no zwembad, pa ora que prome gas ba 6 ore, turcos está fora. Então eras vou começar onda prome, não no zwembad.
No zwembad, housekeeping.
Housekeeping.
Deswegen
Cozinha.
Deswegen purchasing.
Purchasing.
Deswegen tennis.
Tennis. Se questa aqui de Eros, então nós aqui essa palavra de paixão, mas de abo é realidade, abo é vertaling, abo é unificação de que é minha paixão. Mas eu botar mira de hotel, o hotel também é bocasse, para crescer, para vai uma, para vai outro, então na mister que aprecio pabo, então se ainda demonstrar awe, mas não na abo reconhecimento. Tem tanto ainda de trás na Santa Bárbara, pero é quartal que tem de abo, mas abo é special, ou não? Sim. Ora che gente viene per me gas chega e poi pensa o balante tanto ora trempancado, to? Non può pensare così. Anto avuto svaro perché un smile per passa bom per cose. Sì. Mi to proprio orgoglioso di. Proprio per greti bene. Anto mi sa che basta jong, anto mare ti masini jong menere bo ko porasi trabalho aqui. Of não? Sim. Que menor botar em vacaia papia, ko botar papia com amigo na comunicar com na. Explica na no trabalho que coisa que tinha aqui dentro. Filho não nós temos cobra que tá hobby que tá tiki nós tá seguir brinca para crescer. Pero aqui dentro, nós sabemos que se sente crescer. Hobby do hoje. Ele vai ser ficado também, sim. Bom. Let's continue with Sharneska Lebar. Sharneska, she does an excellent job following up with the guests to ensure they know all the different activities that are going on at a casino and hotel. As a casino administrative assistant at Marriott, you're always willing to help your colleagues and you don't have a 9-to-5 mentality. Your superiors and colleagues know they can always count on you and they want to thank you for the great work you do. So today you're the star. We will continue with another person that can always be counted on, and his name is Gilbert Pitanella. Hij komt eraan, we slaan hem even over. We slaan hem even over, because we can count on him. But Nelson Calmera is here? Yes. Nelson Calmera is a restaurant supervisor at a Hilton. Here he is. Yes. Nelson Calmera has been working with the Hilton family for about 17 years. He is the supervisor of the Cielo restaurant. And your superiors have so many great things to say about you. For starters, you are always on top of your game. You know exactly what you want in your team, and you have an ability of bringing out each person's talent and utilizing it. You are considered a great mentor and coach and manage to keep the kitchen focused and up to speed in order to keep the guests happy. You work hard, you are reliable and flexible, and you embody everything that Hilton stands for. Thank you so much. There you go. And there we go. Go back. Gilbert Pitanella. He's joining. Gilbert Pitanella from Funbini. You take great care to maintain all the buses in good running order. Whenever there is a problem with one of the buses, you are always there to fix it. I think that is very, very important because that's a responsible part of your company. And they can count on you. Thank you for always being there when you are needed. You are a star. Where is Ludrianka Puriel? Ludrianka Puriel, you are extremely service-minded and very kind towards the guest. We need more people like you in the industry. While performing your job as a receptionist at Papagayo, you are efficient and detail-oriented, a true inspiration for the people working with you. So we hope to see more of you.
Yes.
Okay, start of the second quarter. Alberto is the last star for today. However, she couldn't be here today as she is on a well-deserved vacation. I would still like to tell you a little bit about Atalia. She has been working at Hilton for 3 years as a waiter at Cielo restaurant. She always has a smile on her face to welcome the guests, as if she's opening up her home to them. She goes above and beyond, not only with the guests, but by helping out her team members. She's always focused to deliver the best, and I can understand why she is proud of the Hilton family. Catalina is here. She can come up and receive the certificate on her behalf. Talia.
Thank you.
This was it for today. I want to thank everyone present who contributed in highlighting our stars of the industry. And I would like to say something, thank you to all those HR people that took the time to fill out the forms. Next stars event will be in November, right?
Yes.
Tiara, I want to see more of you guys. Because I know there are more stars in this industry. And if you know what the talk of the day is these days, JetBlue is coming. KLM extra flights. Arca has the Dreamliner. We are working our butts off. We are trying to get more people here. But the other side is that we need to treat these people very good. And not everybody in the industry is a star. We still have some work to do there. So I'm talking to the wrong people. But still, as of today, you have the responsibility to coach your colleague, to talk to them, tell them that this is an important business, that we need to grow, that we need to become the #1 destination, that we have beautiful people in the first place here, that we have good products, that we are different from the other islands, that we are authentic, that we are real, and we want to show them. We want to make our home their home. So spread the word. What is that song? New York, New York, and sing it from there. Let them come. We want them to come. I would like to thank the Cheesery, one of our new members, for this opportunity. A beautiful, beautiful, unique location. Thank you so much. And all nominees, a group picture, please. Come forward.